Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Oily Housewife. So I'm actually in my kitchen and I want to show you a little hack that I do for my plants using the household cleaner. So I really wanted to share this quite a long time ago, but I have one plant in particular. She is letting me know that she's thirsty. So I was like, perfect timing to show you what I do to help her out. Okay, so here I have my 1.5 liter, I don't know what you call it, plant waterer. And then I have my Thieves Household Cleaner. This is what I use all the time. So I got probably about half a cap of the household cleaner. And I'm just gonna dump that straight in there. I'm gonna mix it up and I'll show you guys what I do. Okay, so here's my plant. As you can see, she is really thirsty. She's letting me know like, hey, give me water. So here is my plant filler, plant waterer. Just gonna put it here. Woo. There it goes. All right, let's wait and see what happens to her. Well, there you go, you guys. That was just half a cap of the household cleaner in, what was it, 1.5 liters of water. So I did half for one plant. I actually have two of those plants. So of course the other half went to the second plant. Now I do have this big guy. All right. So I'll do 1 cap full of the household cleaner in this and then plant all my other plants. They're so happy, so perky, but I'm telling you, those two plants, I think I realized I didn't water them for about 2 weeks and they were still happy and perky. I was like, it has to be the household cleaner. So I've been doing it ever since. The plants love the household cleaner. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully it was helpful if you guys got houseplants. Use your household cleaner. Just like how I showed you guys in the All About Thieves video, you can make your own spray. I wash the leaves with the household cleaner. They are just, oh my gosh, plants know you guys. So hope this was helpful. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. But till next time, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.